Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. My spec is looking at me right now. BBNAIJA housemate Dorathy declares she has a crush on a fellow housemate. Last night was epic as Multichoice commenced the 5th edition of the most watched TV reality show Brother Naija Lockdown Season 5 with 20 energetic housemates who have begun finding love already. The housemates are already having feelings for their colleagues as Dorathy revealed that she has spotted a lover in the house already. She said this after the housemates met at the dinner to introduce themselves. While she was serving her colleagues with her hot CV, the type of man she hoped to date, she revealed that her type of man was looking directly at her. My spec is looking directly at me. Well, we'll soon find out who Mr. Spec is. Okay guys, I'm sure you're enjoying this BBNAIJA Lockdown. It promises to be very entertaining and fun filled. Okay, if this is the first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop. Stay tuned to my channel as I'll be bringing you daily updates on the show. Until next time guys.